the compounded interest application question. If a person invests 10,000 rupees at a compounded interest rate of 10% per year, that means if I invest 100 rupees in that company, they will give you 10 rupees as interest. That it's meant by this 10% interest for first year. So how can we find the interest for first year? To find the interest for first year, you should express the percentage as its corresponding fraction. So 100 over 10. This is the fraction belongs to the given percentage. It should be multiplied with the amount of investment, 10,000 rupees. So 10 percentage for 10 of 10,000 rupees. It will become 1,000 rupees. Okay. So that means end of an year you will receive 1,000 rupees as interest. Total amount of investment after end of first year. So initially you have invested 10,000 rupees. For first year interest you received 1,000 rupees as interest. So both together will be considered as the investment after end of first year. Sometimes they will use the word after end of first year or beginning of second year. Both are same. Beginning of second year. End of that means December 31st and January 1st. Mostly they are same. No? So these are the two terms we can face. Total amount of investment after end of first year or beginning of second year. What is the amount? Initially he has invested 10,000 rupees in the bank, and end of 1 year he received another 1,000 rupees as interest. So both together will be considered as the investment at the end of first year. So 11,000 rupees, that is the amount considered as the investment after end of first year or beginning of second year. Now in second case, interest for second year, here also the interest percentage does not change, that is the same one. So 100 over 10, but the amount of investment at the second year beginning, the investment is increased because the interest also will be included in the investment. So both together 11,000 is the amount you should substitute as the investment at the beginning of second year. For that amount they will offer you the interest. So we will find how much it is. It will become 1,100 rupees. So in first year for your investment you receive 1,000 rupees as your interest. That is included into your investment for second year. So for that particular amount in second year you receive 1,100 rupees as the interest. So the second question, total amount of investment after end of second year. After end of second 2 years or beginning of third year, both are same. So initially you had 10,000 rupees. With that you should add first year interest and second year interest. Both should be added. In the second, after end of 2 years, what are the amounts in your bank? The initial investment of yours and first year interest, second year interest. All are included in your investment after end of 2 years. So altogether it is 12,100 rupees. For this amount, they will offer you interest for the third year. That's enough up to now. I'll give you a quick recap. Initially 10,000 invested, so interest for first year 1,000. For that also you will receive interest. So investment for the beginning of second year is 11,000. For that the interest is 1,100 rupees. After end of 2 years, initial investment, first year interest, second year interest, all these three together, 12,100 rupees in your account after end of 2 years. First of all, if a person takes a loan of 50,000 rupees at a compounded interest rate of 20%, interest for first year. So what you have to do, 100 over 20 times 50,000 rupees. So we will find that. So it will become 10,000 rupees. That is the interest for first year. So amount of loan after first year means the amount of loan and interest both together. So 50,000 plus 10,000 both together, it is 60,000 rupees. This is the amount of loan after end of first year. You can directly use a formula to find it as well. Use the percentage as a key. So if 20 percentage, what will tell? So if you get 100 rupees as loan, you have to pay 20 rupees as interest. That's what denoted by this percentage. Likewise, think in alternate way. If 20 percentage of interest, if you get 100% 100 rupees loan, you have to repay. You have to repay that 100 rupees plus the interest 20 rupees both together. You should repay 120 rupees, right? You can use that. So after end of first year, what is the amount of loan? Initial loan and interest both together will be calculated after end of first year. So loan, if you take 100 rupees as loan with the inclusion of 100 rupees plus the 20 rupees interest both together, you should repay 120 rupees times the amount of investment is 50,000 rupees. Directly you can use this formula also. When you simplify this formula, you will get 60,000 rupees. This is the formula method. Otherwise, you have to find the interest first. Thereafter, add the loan amount with interest to find the loan after first year. If you want to find that directly, 100 over 120 times 50,000. Likewise, interest for second year. So here also important one. 100 over 20, this is the interest percentage. But the interest for second year means you should include this 60,000, not for the 50,000. So 60,000. This is the investment in the beginning of second year. So we have to find the interest for this one. It will become 12,000 rupees. Okay, 12,000 rupees is the interest for second year. The amount of loan after second year, initially 50,000, thereafter in first year 10,000, second year 12,000. Altogether, the loan amount now after end of 2 years, the 50,000 became 72,000 rupees. Okay. Likewise, let's find for the third year as well. So to find the interest for third year, 100 over 20 times. What is the amount of investment in the beginning of third year? We know that end of second year, beginning of third year, both are same. It is 72,000 rupees. After simplification, the interest for the third year, it is 14,400 rupees. Am I correct? Yeah, 14,400 rupees. So finally, amount of loan after end of third year means initial investment 50,000, 10,000 first year interest, second year interest, and 14,400. All together, it will become 86,400 and 400 rupees. This is the amount of loan, okay, after the 3 years. Initially, you got just 50,000. In addition to the interest and interest and interest, now the loan payment became 86,400 rupees. So that is the phenomenon you should know about these real life applications.